far away from me.
Hi, sweetie. Let's go to the house. Tonight is the most wonderful.
Hey, I think we are incredible. How we stole a police jeep with cleverness.
Exactly. Hey, bro. Do you know what happened with Rocky?
Yes! Her girlfriend left her for someone else.
Do you really think that that's right happened to Rocky?
I think not.
We know we're bad, but not too much.
We are too much.
So what to do now?
Bring your ear here. Hem. Hem. Hem.
Perfect idea. So happy now Rocky is far away from Jessica. That's the bestest thing ever. Who's? I think I should go now. Nothing is here. Please tell me, who is?
Your enemy.
Wait! I am coming. Hey, hands up. What happened, sir? If you have any issues, so take some money from me. This idea is not bad.
Hey, Thurgood. What are you doing?
No, Varsity. This man is giving me some good offers.
What the? Hey, you. Talk to me. You are engaged with some dirty issues.
What? Wait. If you think you two can easily fool me, so you two are number one cap.
Threat to Varsity.
Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Hey, please just stop.
So, what would you say now?
Please forgive me, please. Please?
I'm not sad. I know what to do now. Just forget the past and move on. I know. This is a great shock. But I have learned a lot from all these things. Always remember in your mind. Never sad for those things which is not for you. You just need to learn. This is a world. No one is your. Everyone lives for themselves, not for others. So why do you need to sacrifice your life for someone? Don't take it seriously. I know when someone left you for other. Those time is the hardest time for you, but we can't do anything. You just need to move on, and I hope this is the great lesson. Bye and take care.
Hey, Varsity. What do you think? Why I'm so intelligent?
Again.
Why you don't understand me? I'm a great thief. You can see how I bravely stole a police car.
Look! The police caught us. Let's go to the jail.
What?